Look at the dude. Yeah, go get one of them. He's picking up the roller coasters in the remote control car and putting them on the ramp and rolling them down. I like when he picks up the car, he picks the whole thing up. Or this, he pushes this one. He's pretty good at it. He's determined. Good boy. Now push it. Show us how you push it. Whoa! Jackson. Pretty good. I think he gets confused when we have the camera out. Get the car, buddy. Get the car. Now, you like that one? Off we go. It is December 18th, I guess, 2011. Jackson will be 2 in 3 weeks. Whoa. Where you going now? Man down. He just mills around. He might go into the hammock now. There he goes. We get the football, buddy? He's going to jump off the edge of the horseshoe pit. Nice. Man down. Oh, there's a ball. Not interested. Oh, there's a fire pit. Now he's back. Alright, we're signing off. We might just take a little nap here. What do you think about the bench, bub?